Here's your video for 2x2 with regrouping number 3. I'm really itchy for some reason. Is there something on my face? Hey, we are looking at 2x2 with regrouping number 3. We are going to do some disco moves together, starting with number 1. 7 times 4, add the regroup. 7 times 4 is 28. Then 7 times 5. 7 times 5 is 35. Add the regroup. 35 plus 2 more equals 37. Then we slash out the regroup, and put our 0 here because the 1 isn't really just 1. The 1 is really a 10. Then I do 1 times 4 equals 4. Add the regroup. 1 times 5, add the regroup. There's nothing to add, it's just 5. Then we add them. 8 plus 0 is 8. 7 plus 4 equals 11. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Plus 1 more equals 9. To get an answer of 918. Number 2, 0 times 6, add the regroup. 0 times 6 is 0. 0 times 3, add the regroup. 0 times 3 is 0. Slide to the 2, slash, there's no regroup to slash. Put a 0 because we're not really multiplying by 2, we're really multiplying by 20. So draw your arrows. 2 times 6, add the regroup. 2 times 6 is 12. 2, regroup the 1 to the next place. Then 2 times 3 equals 6, add the regroup. Plus 1 more is 7. Then we add them, call up our friend. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 and 2 is 2, and nothing plus 7 is 720. Okay, number 3. 2 times 3, add the regroup. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 5, add the regroup. That's 10. There's no regroup to add. Slide, slash, no regroups to slash. 0, because I'm multiplying by 10, not really by 1. Then 1 times 3 equals 3. Add the regroup. 1 times 5 equals 5. And once again, no regroup to add. So now I call up my friend Adam. 6, 3, 6. And I get an answer of 636. Try number 4. 9 times 0, add the regroup. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 7 is 63. Add the regroup. There's no regroup to add, so I just put 63. Slide, slash, 0, because now I'm multiplying by 30. 30 times 0 equals 0, or 3 times 0. Then 3 times 7 equals 21. Call up Adam to add them together. 0, 3, 7, 2. Put in your comma. 2,730. Number 5. 9 times 1 equals 9. Add the regroup. 9 times 9 equals 81. No regroup to add. Slide, slash, nothing to slash. 0, because I'm multiplying by 40, not really, just by 4. 4 times 1 equals 4. Add the regroup. 4 times 9, 1 less, 36. Add the regroup, nothing to add, so I just add my two numbers. 9 plus 0 is 9, 1 plus 4 is 5, 8 plus 6 is 14, and 3 plus 1 equals 4. 1, 2, 3, kick for your comma, 4,459. Number 6, draw your arrow. 8 times 4 equals dirty U, 32. Add the regroup. 8 times 6 equals 40 cake, 48. Add the regroup plus 3. 48 plus 3 equals 51. Slide, slash out your regroup. Put a 0 because we're really multiplying by 80, not just by 8. Then we go again. 8 times 4, add the regroup. Skate times door equals dirty U, 32. Then skate times chicks equals 40 cake, 48. Add the regroup. 48 plus 3 is 51. Then we call up Adam. 2 plus nothing is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 5 plus 1 is 6, nothing plus 5 is 5. Put in your comma for an answer of 5,632. Let's try some word problems. 14 and 15 look like they go with an input-output table, but if you look closely, it's just a chart, not an input-output table, because we don't have any numbers on this side. We just have vegetables, asparagus, beets, carrots, and sweet corn. Over here is our numbers, so this is just a chart. So the question's asking, how much do 23 bushels of beets weigh? So I'm going to go to beets on my chart, and I see that it's 52 pounds. So if 1 bushel of beets weighs 52 pounds, I want to know how much 23 bushels will weigh. So I'm going to need to multiply 52 times 23. Do the disco. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 5 equals 15. No regroup to add. Slide / 0. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 5 is 10. Call Adam. 6, 9, 1, 1. Put in your comma to get an answer of 1,196 pounds. Number 15, how much do 18 bushels of asparagus weigh? So I find asparagus. I see 1 bushel. Each weighs 24 pounds. So if I want to know 18 bushels or 18 groups of 24, I'm going to need to do 18 times 24. Do the disco. 4 times 8 equals dirty U, 32. Add the regroup. 4 times 1 equals 4. Add the regroup. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Slide, slash out your regroups. Put your 0, because we're really multiplying by 20. 2 times 8 equals 16. Add the regroup. No regroup to add. 2 times 1 equals 2. Add the regroup. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then I can call Adam. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 7 plus 6 equals 13. 3 plus 1 equals 4, to get an answer of 432 pounds. Number 17, which of the following is a reasonable answer for 92 times 98? A reasonable answer means we are going to have to estimate. It doesn't want an actual answer. So since 92 times 98, both numbers only go to the tens place, I can only round to the tens place. So I'm going to start with 9, so underline the tens place, circle the bossy neighbor to the right. It's a 2, 4 or below, let the underline go. So 92 rounds to 90. Now if I do it with 98, underline the tens place, circle the 8 to the right, the bossy neighbor. 5 or above, give the underline a shove. So 9 shoves up to a 10. So I have to do 90 times 100. Now we learned a trick for this. I'm going to find the basic fact I know. I know 9 times 1 equals 9. And then I'm going to underline my product and then draw my lines to put my zeros at the end. Put in your comma to get 9,000. If I look at my choices, 9,000 is choice B. That is a reasonable answer. If I check on my calculator to find the actual answer to 92 times 98, I get 9,016. So that is only 16 away. The difference between the estimate and the actual answer is 16. So I know that is pretty close, much closer than any of my other choices. So I'm confident that my correct answer is B. Good job, you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Ugh.